1, 2, 3, and... I have giraffes on my shirt, and my necklace is a bird. You might guess what just occurred. To me they're kind of remedy, 'cause flying off to Africa and living without demons, no one telling you blah blah, since we're all being equal, sounds pretty great. So fix your own lucky day, 4-leaf clovers all the way. Find yourself a happy shirt before somersault in the dirt. Write a lovely song to sing, oh, beauty is in everything. Take a ride, say no, say do whatever it takes to be your wonderful self today. There is a hole in my shoe, and my list of things to do seems suddenly so cruel. But now I see priority was never to be set for shit, 'cause who says doing odd jobs is something that can't wait a bit while you go testing hot tubs? Oh sweet epiphany, fix your own lucky day, 4-leaf clovers all the way. Find yourself a happy shirt before a somersault in the dirt. Write a lovely song to sing, oh, beauty is in everything. Take a ride, say no, say do whatever it takes to be your wonderful self today. Is your day, the ball is in your court and only you can kick it. You're at the helm, no one leads the way, only you can sink it. Sweet epiphany, fix your own lucky day, 4-leaf clovers all the way. Find yourself a happy shirt before a somersault in the dirt. Write a lovely song to sing, oh, beauty is in everything. Take a ride, say no, say do whatever it takes to be your wonderful selves.